Hello, hi guys, this is your girl Bianca and I'm back with another video. Today's video is actually going to be a little different. It has been crazy weather, man. Crazy weather here in the south. It's been snowing all week, so I haven't been able to go out to the thrift stores. They've been closed. I haven't been wanting to drive in the stuff because it's just I'll shoot some b-roll of the craziness that's happening outside. Snow everywhere. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing a jade necklace. Okay, I'm really excited because I've always wanted a jade necklace. I went to this trip to Hawaii this past maybe about a month or two ago. I went to Hawaii and we went to a thrift, not a thrift, but it was like a flea market, and it had like jade necklaces everywhere. And my friend Tia, she was like, you know, jade necklaces are really big in Hawaii and they're just, oh my gosh, they're beautiful. They're gorgeous necklaces. And I was like, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at the necklace. All right, guys, set you guys down. And this necklace is actually from Etsy, Anna & Co. See, the box is really pretty. She even left a note, as you can see there, explaining jade. I'm gonna read it to you guys. It says, jade is a strong purity stone with protective qualities, symbolizing harmony, prosperity, protection, and good health. It is also a healing stone aiming to encourage positivity while dispelling negative energy. Jade is known as a soothing stone and can help one feel more grounded as well as discover their inner peace. All right, so that's really awesome. Just a little information about the jade stone. See if you guys see it. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Oh man, that is beautiful. You guys see it? And I love the colors on this necklace. It's actually 3 different colors. It's this dark forest green, and then you have a lighter green right here, and then down into this beautiful gold slash yellow. It's like a goldish yellow. So it's like a 3-tone jade charm, and oh man, it is freaking gorgeous. You can see right there. Let's see if we can try this baby on. Oh man. And then on the gold chain, you see that diamonds on me dancing. Before I tried it on, I want you guys to see that it actually has multiple places where you can clasp, so you can do it a shorter length necklace or a longer length necklace. And I thought that was a really cool feature. Let's flip this bad boy. There we go. And there's different types of jade necklaces. This one is like a big circle with a hollow circle in the middle. I know that there's more. I've seen a lot of like Buddha jade necklaces that are really cool and really pretty. Let's see. Yeah, I like that length. Let's get my locks out of the way. You guys see my dog still. Any girl want to say hey? Come here. Up. Say hello. Say hello, guys. All right, let's twist it around. So you guys can see. Also love the fact that it's you know, I told you guys that it's 3 colors, so I don't have to necessarily match it with the green all the time. I feel like the yellow gives it a very good contrasting color, so it works on a shirt like this that has multiple colors. It just stands out. It's really colorful, really beautiful. Love it. Awesome sauce. Alright guys, so that was my little video that I wanted to do for y'all. Just been stuck in the house, really couldn't go to any thrift stores. Excuse me, couldn't go to any thrift stores because of the snow. So hopefully thrift vlogs will be returning next week. But we'll see. We'll just play it by ear. If not, then I'll do more videos at home. Maybe painting videos like I've done in the past. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, man, that's it for me. I'm out.